Bobrisky don't finally drag a bestie Tonto Dike leg come out. He don't drag am like I pass my neighbor generator. Call am Onigbesi. Say na Igbo smoker when he dey pretend to be born again. He don't burst to my correct people before I go dey tell now wetin dey shele. Make I first throw a salute for now. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, the matter still dey for ground. Una know say for inside yesterday, I first throw away one video when e come be like say Bobrisky himself when e supposed to be Tonto Dike bestie. E come be like say e come dey shade am, e come dey mock and join. No be small thing my correct people, the thing don escalate to hey. They don take am to another level. Tonto Dike come drop one write-up. He come talk say a jealous demon may appear as a supportive angel. Be watchful. My correct people na there tori finish Bobrisky come pick am from there. Come talk say na she and him na him Tonto Dike dey talk to. My correct people, I hope say una never still forget say e first still go one video when I still do when e go viral some few days ago, when e come be say Tonto Dike don find another love again. E come be say this e new bobo Tonto Dike come carry one kind ogbonge tear rubber motor give am as a gift when he celebrate his birthday. My correct point come be like say as Bobrisky come see that one, e come be like say e head come burst according to am, im talk say Tonto Dike say na fake life na she dey live, say na Onigbesi na she be, and she come dey smoke Igbo dey join. E come be like say e dey think say when Tonto Dike just carry that key put for that new bobo hand, hey my people come see wahala. Na from there Bobrisky come out na for there Bobrisky know say Tonto Dike dey hold am 5 million. Hey since how many years? Bobrisky come know say na this one be the right moment to take draw Tonto Dike that money. Hey my correct people, if una look am well, that write-up when Tonto Dike write, if una see am when he talk say some jealous friend go come, they go pretend like say they be your friend but they carry horn for head. True not too far from am my people. Una know why I go dey give una the reason wetin make me I talk am. My correct people, some time ago Bobrisky when he never reach 3 weeks from now, yes I'm not mistaken, he come first throw away one kind ogbonge write-up. He come talk say in a nutshell guys, no best friend anywhere, just be good with everyone around you and be free. My correct people, not be only that one he talk. He come talk say I am very emotional, little things bother me. Imagine showing your so-called best friend nothing but true love to the extent of inconveniencing yourself most time, fighting all your so-called best friend, former best friend just because of you. They want you to stay loyal and make someone happy. All you get from such person is jealousy, envy, lastly not love the same way you love the person. The love only come when you lend them or her your money and they won't still pay back. Such a friend just walk away forever and never come back. Don't drag such friend on social media or just walk away silently. Let nobody know the secret you both shared when together. My correct people, when Bobrisky throw away this write-up, Tonto Dike no answer. Nobody answer am, nobody talk. The thing come pipe low for there, the thing come finish for there. Now when Tonto Dike now self come drop it own, come talk say some people will come like say na friend when they be jealousy friend, when e be say dem carry horn for head, they go pretend to be friend. Now Bobrisky come carry the matter for head. E come be like say na only he one na him body dey pepper. Meanwhile Another thing still dey when Bobrisky sef still talk some time ago. Somebody come talk say, this kind friendship when you and Tonto Dike dey make, so that time na the time when dem dey jolly jolly o. Say e no fit wait when e go see dem say dem go fight, dem go scatter. My correct people, before you know it, Bobrisky don run come out o. E don dey talk. Anybody when he make I read the thing when he write, when he take answer that person for una. My people, na Bobrisky quick come answer. He come say, you don't know me, sha. I am so distressed to a fault when it comes to keeping relationship. So you think even if we truly have issue, I will come out to rant? I will never in my life fight any of my friends on social media, no matter bad in may be. So those waiting for fight 600 abi 6,000 years for you. Come, let me train you how to be a true friend. My correct people, this one are all the things when Bobrisky talk o. I just dey dig all those things they bring am for na make una know say make una for know who be the real fake friend here. Bobrisky dey always dey boast every time. No matter what, anything when he be saying with Tonto Dike or any of his bestie don share, he no go ever bring am come social media. No matter what, my people, they never throw blow. They don't take a knack for nose. Hey. My correct people, when I know say these days, Tonto Dike no come dey talk well again. Sake of saying, he say na born again. Na people now won't don use that opportunity now. They do am anyhow how they like. But e come be like say Tonto Dike don see and say the thing don dey too much. E don dey be like say e don dey answer small. He don't fit answer one when he give am mouth yesterday. One woman when he be Shade, he don't fit answer that one. Before Bobrisky now self come carry on for inside. So as this gbas they go on now, many people come dey write message to Tonto Dike. They come dey tell am say, this wahala when he dey for ground, you no go talk put. Now Tonto Dike come talk say, he don't pass that level. He say forward ever, backward never. He not be the same Tonto Dike wanna know before, although he still dey answer that name. Say he no dey rub himself for poto again like pig because he no dey follow pig gang again. My correct people, hey, as Bobrisky see that one, head come burst. He come talk say, indirectly that mean say na you dey call the pig now when you know dey rub poto with. My correct people, not be small gbas o. And that time when e be say Roseline and the husband when they call Chochi, they do Tonto Dike tontonri up and down for social media. They pepper am, they tontonri am up and down, they shade am up and down. Now this same Bobrisky, na if jump come out they pretend like say into like Tonto Dike. They warn the Roseline say make e not talk any yeye thing for Tonto Dike body because into like am, he go fight for a friend, he go stand for a friend. My correct people, all of them, e come be like say all of them are fake. No true friend for this life o. Then say if you keep your secret, there will be no scandal. And again, this come still reminds me, e get that girl when they call Oye, that girl when he come from Ivory Coast, when he with Bobrisky drag theirself one certain time. If una remember, inside the matter when he talk about Bobrisky, all the things when he talk for Bobrisky body, he still tell us say Bobrisky na fake friend as they shout up and down saying like Tonto Dike, say day and night na so cause and they take man they chop Tonto Dike na him they do for inside house. Una remember that girl first still talk am. So una go see and say this Bobrisky na two-face, na gbagbati. E too dey follow people they make wahala. Nobody went with this Bobrisky don waka when he be say he no go end up as wahala. Yet he come out they warn the Roseline with his husband. May they not take my touch Tonto Dike into like Tonto Dike, into love Tonto Dike, where the likeness and the love for stop now. Just because say you just see say he won't dey happy again. That is, he no want dey cry again, he no want dey lonely again. Since how many years? Now you come out now, come dey drag am. Now you know say he dey owe you money. Now you know say he dey owe you 5 million. Why you no drag am since? Why you not draw that money since? Make we help yourself drag am for the social media. My correct people, this life, your best friend is your worst enemy, as Oyibo people really talk. Now true. now I believe. Because all those things when Bobrisky they do that time, if it be say all of them not true, now read the way in they claim, when they post, when they tell everybody every time say into light onto DK now so it be. If you not just come out so fast. It be like say the way the things come be like say you no even want sit onto DK happiness. Because since when Tonto DK never can show this in new bobo, all this story not just dey. Even though say Bobrisky they talk, if they talk one, they throw indirect. They talk, and not just they talk like this. Ha. Now when he just see say Tonto DK just carry that key, put for the bobo hand. Hey, that jealousy come start to come talk say, be like say Tonto DK, he be like say he want enter another life. Probably maybe Bobrisky be still they get hope say one day they will come back, they will come be as them be before. But the way Tonto DK do the thing, he come be like say he's surprised. Everybody surprised now. Even Bele come join. Say the man self, he be like say not be play self, he's serious. The thing go lead to marriage. That is if he be say they never even marry self. Because I dey see and say Tonto DK they address the man as my husband, and I see say that they address themselves as Mr. and Mrs. Now it make me they doubt whether they don't marry her itself. Nobody know. But if it still be like that, I go still find out. If I still know, I go still bring her for now. So my correct people, I want make una say shook mouth for this matter. Who be the fake friend among both of them? Because Bobrisky say Tonto DK na Igbo smoker. Say he say in a born again in the smoke Igbo. No be the way person ugly reach for face. They use and make parable. No be the thing they call and wish. Person fit still fine. You go to that person now correct amosu. My correct people make una judge am, make no be like say the matter I don dey draw for ground too much. If update still dey this matter, I go still bring am come for una for table. Una know say the way take dey hot, na so I take dey carry and dey serve una like a pepper soup. Make una talk am o. Who be the fake friend among these two people? I don leave am for una hand, my correct people. Now here I go round up this matter today. I go see you now very soon for my next video when you no go to take from now. If you be say today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you love my video and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And una wey be my returning subscriber, God go bless una for me when they help me watch my video anytime when I upload am. Every time now they pray Baba God, anything wey una self, any area wey una self need support, na so God go take dey bring that supporter from nowhere. Thank you my correct people. I go see you now very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.